Today I'm going to create this design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Select the size 1080 pixels into 1080 pixels. Turn on the ruler. Take left, ruler 59, and right ruler 1021. Now change the background color. Subscribe and check the comments for the color code. Go to the elements and take a circle shape. Adjust the size and position. Change the color. Lock the shape. Upload the watch image. Import and remove the background. Adjust the size and position. Go to the elements and search for a shadow. Select this. Adjust the size and position. Now take a text. Write the essential sentence. Select the Montserrat font. Select the size 40. Change the alignment to left. Change the color. Color will be the same as background. Take another text. Write the product details here. Change the alignment to left. Go to Elements and take a shape. Change the color as the same of background color. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate this. Change the color as the background circle color. Write the discount percentage. Adjust the shape size. Duplicate this text and write the discounts details. Take the shape again. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate this text and write book now. Go to Elements and search for the website icon. Change the color, size, and position. Duplicate this text. Change the color and write your website link here. Add your company logo. Lastly, adjust the size and position of any element if needed. It is your turn to create this design, and you can submit it to my Facebook group, link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.